Alright, y'all. 2011 FX35 Infiniti. Doing the steering wheel airbag. I think this is from 08, no 09, so I think about 14. So I already took off the little caps, one on each side. Right there, right there. This is a T20, let's see here, 27, I believe. Man, I can't even see it. My eyes are bad. T27H, because it has that security in the middle. So that's what you'll need. So let's get this took off. And make sure you have your battery disconnected, at least one of the terminals. This car battery is actually dead. There you go. This one. Other side. Get in there. Huh? Can't really see. Hold this. There you go. So get you a magnet or something like that if you need help with it, but it'll come right on out. Oh, that screw is still stuck in there. I forgot. That one's still stuck. There you go. It fell inside, but we'll grab it right here. There it is. Probably get my magnet. But anyway, so these usually you have to use a little pick to pull those black things up, and then they'll just come out. Can't just pry them up, you'll break them. So let me get my pick and see if I can get this on. And this, make sure you unplug this. First time seeing a plug like that in the airbag. I haven't did a whole lot of these, but it's the first time I ever seen that extra plug, usually just the two wires. So anyway, get your pick and try to see if I can hold this and do it at the same time. So basically you want to try to get up in there and pull it up. See if I can do it holding the camera. Probably not. So let me try to get this up and I'll show you. So on this one, as soon as I put my pick in there and pulled up, the whole thing came out. But this has to go up first before it'll pull out. It's like the new ones go in, you put them in, and you press that black thing down to lock them in. So it needs a little pressure to get it out, to get the raise up. You see it actually bent my little cheap pick. But just work at it and pull up, and you'll be able to get it. There you go. Seen it right there. So it's still down a little bit, but it came up enough to get that off. So get your new one. These airbags are not cheap. $350 for a worn down, nasty looking airbag. That'll all clean up when I'm done, but $350 for this. And they go up from there. It's crazy that Infiniti does that to their parts. Black out the parts, really, I guess. Anyway, so you plug that back in, and then those two clips actually just work backwards. So put in your two wires first, and then clip that last one back in. See if I can hold this. I needed one of those camera stands or something. I'm always fiddling with trying to hold it and get them in there. Let's see here. I think this one, I'm trying to remember. There you go. They only can go in one way. Got a little slot groove. So you can see that going down at the bottom there on this side. On the bottom of this has a little groove also. press the black thing down. Oh, that one's not locked in yet. I gotta redo that one. All right, when I pushed it down, I pushed the black part down with it. So make sure you push the clip in there first and then push the black tab down. And then you just plug it back up. So it's in there good. And it's ready to go. All right, so you put your screws back in there. Sorry in advance for all that camera. I said in advance. Sorry for the late delay on that camera being unsteady. I'm trying to figure that out. And you put the other one back in. Other side. Gotta move the steering wheel. Boom. Good to go. And then you just put your covers, the two back covers on there. Make it all nice and neat where you can hide it. There you go. Boom, there you go. That one, you got that one. It's ready to go. So that's another one for you from G Body Auto. Save yourself some time, save yourself some money, do it yourself. You know, so 2011 Infiniti FX35 steering wheel airbag. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.